Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Truth or Dare. First, gather at least 2 players to ensure a lively game. Find a comfortable spot where everyone can relax and participate. Before you begin, it's super important to set clear rules and boundaries, making sure everyone feels safe and respected. You might even want to brainstorm some fun truths and dares beforehand to keep the game flowing smoothly. This preparation helps ensure a fantastic time for all involved. Once you're all set, it's time to start the game. Decide who goes first, perhaps by drawing straws or simply choosing. That player then asks the person to their left, truth or dare. The chosen player must then pick one of the 2 options. If they choose truth, they must answer a question honestly. If they choose dare, they must perform a specific action. It's all about making that exciting choice and seeing what happens next. When it comes to truths, aim for questions that are personal enough to be interesting, but never intrusive or embarrassing. For dares, let your imagination run wild. They can be anything from a silly dance to a creative task, or even a mild challenge. The most crucial rule is to ensure all dares are completely safe and respectful of everyone involved. Always avoid any questions or tasks that might make a player feel uncomfortable or put them in a difficult position. Fun is the goal. To keep your game of truth or dare exciting, encourage everyone to participate and share in the fun. Try to keep the pace lively, moving from one turn to the next without too much delay. If the game starts to feel a bit stale, introduce some fresh, new truths and dares to spark renewed interest. Ultimately, the main objective of playing Truth or Dare is to have a fantastic time, laugh a lot, and create memorable moments with your friends. Enjoy every minute.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.